To use the screen recording on Motorola Moto G15, first we need to swipe our finger from top of the screen. Swipe down again and then look for screen recording. So for me it's right here. If you cannot find it, click on the pen button and then bring it from the icons below to the top so that it should appear somewhere around here. Now when we have it, we can click on screen record. Then you can change what you want to record, a single app or entire screen. Then we can enable or disable to record audio, and you can also switch the type of the audio as well. And there's also option to show or hide touches onto the screen. And then finally we can start recording. You should see a countdown on the top, and then there will be a circle button which indicates that the recording is currently going on, and we can stop it by swiping down our finger and then on the recording screen click on the stop. And that is basically everything.